All right, everybody, welcome to part 2 of Esther's Cake of Wonders from the microwave.
Hello.
If you did not catch part 1, you better go back and check it out because I show you how to make Esther's Cake of Wonders actually in about 12 minutes in the microwave, and it's perfect. Let me show you my cakes. They are perfect. They're chilled, ready to go. So I have already made up the whipped cream, which is literally just whipped cream. Nothing fancy about it. I talked about stabilizing it with gelatin, but that seemed like too much work. So I didn't do it. And then I reserved some of this whipped cream out in a piping bag so that I can hopefully make this look pretty.
Yeah.
Right? We'll see. Mom's not a real wonderful cake decorator. So,
But I am.
You
I
are?
am. Yeah.
Evie says she's a wonderful cake decorator.
Yeah.
So,
I put the sprinkles on for you.
yeah. Okay, did you want to lick off my whipped cream spoon?
Yeah.
Yeah, I figured you would. Yep, it's good. It's good whipped cream. So now I'm just going to put the top half on here. What, Ruby? Okay. And I'm just going to set this aside and I'm going to make up the frosting really quick here. So cream, butter, powdered xylitol or erythritol. I don't have that. So I'm just going to use half as much as the recipe calls for in Gentle Sweet. And again, if you haven't seen this recipe and you're wondering, hey Nikki, where the heck do I find that recipe? That is on the Trim Healthy Mama membership only.
Yep.
If you don't have the membership and you would like the membership to get $5 off for 3 months,
Mama,
or $10 off for 3 months, I'm sorry, $10,
please
I
tap
can
it?
hook you up with a code. Just let me know. I'd love to help.
Can I please tap it?
So the next ingredient is so I have butter. That's the first ingredient. Can you go help your sister turn the water off in the bathroom? Thank you. I am going to add the sweetener. And like I said, I'm not using xylitol, so I'm going to use half as much as the recipe calls for of Gentle Sweet. So here we go, everybody. We'll see how you guys get to see how this turns out live. So I have another cool little thing in my Gentle Sweet that I didn't show you guys from last time that keeps it from getting clumpy. I just have one of these little Pampered Chef stone things that is like a moisture thing that keeps your products from getting clumpy, and that's been a really great thing for keeping my Gentle Sweet nice. What section of the membership? You just go in and quick search a recipe. Search for Esther's Cake of Wonders. Oh, nope, I don't need that right now.
I want to do it, Mama.
Okay, I'll measure it and then you can dump it.
Yeah, you can.
So we're going to add our cocoa powder here. Perfect. And
Is it
we'll
flour?
a little bit more.
Is it flour?
For the frosting. And
Me.
okay, now that there's cocoa powder all over my kitchen,
I'll do this next.
we're going to go to the next thing. So now we have to also add a 1/4 cup of almond milk. This doesn't call for any vanilla, so we don't actually have to use vanilla. So I'm going to go for a 1/4.
I'll dump it, Mama.
You're going to dump it. Oh, good job. Thank you.
I'll mix it.
So this is for the chocolate frosting part. Here.
Mama, I'm going to do it.
No.
Oh.
We use this.
Oh.
This might make a big, huge mess too, but we're going to find out.
And we can taste it to make
This
sure it's
is
good.
likely going to make a huge mess. Everybody, just close your eyes for a minute. This is going to make a big mess.
Go on.
Okay. All right. It's okay.
Yeah,
It's okay. It's all right.
Okay.
It's not such a huge mess, is it? It's just a little powdery.
Oh, dear. Oh, dear.
Oh, dear.
Oh, dear. All the butter mixing up.
This frosting, hopefully it's going to turn
Next, we're going to do the thing.
more frosting-y here.
Let's smell it, Ruby.
Butter, almond milk. I got all the right things, so let's see. All right, it's turning into a frosting.
Yeah.
I'm seeing it. Are you seeing it?
Yeah, I'm seeing it. I'm seeing it. It looks good.
Does it look good?
Yeah.
Now we're just going to give it a real good whip here.
Whoa! Turn out. Turn out good so far. You can open up wide. Oh dear, oh dear, oh
Oh dear, oh dear.
It's like splattering everywhere. Yeah.
Oh, it's splattering everywhere. That means that you get to taste test it before we even get it on the cake. Okay, now you guys need to taste test it.
Okay.
This is for the real.
Yeah.
All right, it's a hit. That was easy. Okay, I am going to put the
don't
cake
know what
on
it
plate. Should have done that first. That would have been smart. So if you missed the first one, which I highly encourage you to go back and watch, but this I made in the microwave. Right? Microwave cake. It can be done. So I chilled it, and now I'm going to frost it with my chocolate frosting here. Ooh, this looks nice. This is actually pretty spreadable. A lot of butter in this frosting. I would say go kind of sparingly if you don't want to use the whole, you know, entire.
Mama, bite.
There's 2 cups of ice cream in the, or ice cream. There's 2 cups of butter. 1 cup of butter in this, and a half a cup in the cake. So it is a lot of butter. This is heavy. Heavy-S. You're gonna not want to eat this like 3 meals a day for the next 2 weeks or anything. But what a nice treat if you're going to a family gathering or a friend gathering. As far as I know, what I'm told of this cake is that it is fantastic and nobody knows that it's on plan.
Evie.
All right, so how's Mom's decorating skills so far?
Oh, good.
They're good?
And I do the sprinkles?
Maybe. I don't know that we're actually going to do sprinkles until we're ready to eat it because Mom's not going to do sprinkles on hers. All right, and then I'm just going to try to
How about we do half sprinkles and half not
seal
sprinkles?
in these sides here. This might be kind of a rustic looking cake.
Mom,
You know what rustic means?
Taste this.
When something's rustic, it means it kind of didn't turn out that great and it
So
doesn't look
good.
super perfect. Okay, stop digging frosting out of the cake. But so far,
It is so good.
so far so good, I think.
I can't help it.
It's so good you can't help it.
Mama, when you're done with the bowl coming in, will we get the frosting out of it and eat it?
I think so,
leftover
but
frosting?
it seems like your sister's eating all the frosting right off the cake as we're decorating it here.
But we don't do that because then you can't eat the frosting out of the floor.
All right, so like I said, I did not stabilize that whipped cream, so I'm hoping it holds up because it's going to take us a while to eat this.
But I'm eating this
Are you?
too.
You're eating frosting off the whipper thing too, huh?
Yeah.
Silly girls. If you guys don't have your kids in the kitchen helping you cook and make things, I encourage you to do it. It can be very frustrating, and believe me, it can be very frustrating. But I think it's very much worth it because your kids are learning how to cook with you, and then someday you won't have to cook all the time because your kids will know how to cook. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So my cake plate kind of took a hit on this. Kind of looks a little messy. However,
Yeah.
that looks kind of pretty, doesn't it? What do you guys think?
Good.
Don't touch it.
Bye.
All right, so we're frosted here,
Yeah.
I believe. Maybe seal in this edge right here. I think that looks pretty good. All right, don't get frosting everywhere, ladies. The mess we make now, we'll have to clean up later. Right?
Mama. You were the one who got it here.
I was?
Uh-huh.
I would never.
I saw it.
I don't make messes.
I saw it, Mama.
I'm a mess maker. I'm a mess maker. All right, I have my reserved whipped cream here. Ruby. Oh boy, stop. Don't be taking licks out of this or you're not going to be able to get any when it's done. She just took a big fingerful of frosting right out of the top.
Mama,
What, baby?
Can I please help? Can I
Take
please
this
help?
and go sit by the table. You can eat that and share it with your sister.
Mama,
So I got my
I
whipped
don't
cream
want any.
loaded up in here.
I don't want any eating.
Let's see how this works.
Make designs too.
Oh, we got some air pockets in there. You guys,
Can I help make designs too?
I'm just piping some whipped cream around the edge here for pretty's sake.
Yeah, it turned out good so far.
You think so?
Yeah, it's pretty. I like it. It looks like a birthday cake.
Does it look like professional? You'd buy it at a store?
I don't know.
Is that your nice way of saying no?
It looks pretty, Mama.
All right, we'll just put some pretty little dots in the middle here.
Mama, it looks so pretty.
Does it?
Yeah, and then how about you do some on the side too, Mama?
On the side.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's some extra whipped cream. Everybody's just
I
getting...
want to try it.
My kids like baking because we end up just
Give me.
give them all kinds of the extra stuff here. Let's see, what do I have that's on plan? Oh, Sarah gave me some of these 365 sugar-free dark chocolate chips. These are totally on plan. They're just like the Trim Healthy Mama ones. They don't have any fun fillers or chicory toot. So I'm just gonna add a few little
I want to try some.
chocolate chips to the top. And I'm going to show it to you guys here. Here, chocolate chips. Chocolate chips. You guys think you got enough sweets yet? And here's my cake. Esther's Cake of Wonders in the microwave. Yeah, it looks awesome. Hope you guys make it. If you're watching this in my coaching groups, thanks for being here. We're so proud and happy to help you guys and so proud of all the hard work that you guys are doing to make yourselves healthier and make your Trim Healthy Mama journey sustainable. So proud of you guys. If you're watching this from
YouTube.
my Savory Sweet Freedom business page, thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. I appreciate all of you guys. If you're watching this from YouTube, I would love for you to like, subscribe, and hit the little bell button so that you know when I have new content on YouTube. Thank you guys so much. I hope you guys have a great rest of the day. Bye-bye.